Yeah, Alpinestars Drystar version 2 boots. We're reviewing it today. So far, happy with the product.
Alpinestars Ridge version 2 waterproof, 8-inch tall, only 8-inch tall, with both side ankle protection. Let's go out and test it.
A little bit of stiffness. It needs time to properly break in.
So this did not come in a original box. It came only in the prime box, but there's a bulge. You can see there's a bulge. So it does have an ankle guard on the left side. Oh yeah, I can feel it on the right side as well. There's an ankle guard here on the both sides. So it is a minimal size with light weight, and it has both ankles protected.
And they do give you a little bit of boost on your legs, power and holding and gripping, acceleration. The braking can be tricky. Again, like always I say, anything, any experiment, any mod you do on your EUC, anything different you do, there's a break-in period, there's a training period, there's a practice period.
The back is also really hard and protected. This one is rubber patch here. If you're using it for proper motorcycle, like gear changing. The sole looks nice and grippy. There's a lot of depth in it. If the camera can catch it.
Right now they are so stiff, so hard. I have some experience of Alpinestars before. I used SMX6 before. They were full length. They came up until my knee height, and these are just the 8-inch. And so far, apart from being stiff and hard, they look nice. They're doing this thing like I still need some time to break them in.
It says waterproof here. These are some reflective lights, not lights, reflectors, kind of fabric. This particular model does not have lace. I don't like lace anyway. And this is waterproof lining here up to 6-inch, about 6-inch, starts from 6-inch, and this one is size 43.
Now see, dismounting on these boots, because these are alien objects for my body and EUC. Dismounting needs practice. You can't just buy these, jump and go like boom. Be careful, feel them, give it some time for your body to understand and analyze a new thing on your body. See, I'm trying to practice, like look at these positions, different positions on my pedal right now with these boots.
It's a nice texture here to help you with the bending. We will be doing a lot of real life testing in this same video, so stay tuned. I'll be wearing this and go out and ride my EUC.
But yeah, I'm satisfied. Like the reason why I bought this, because I did like my SMX6. Everything about that boot. Confirmed protection, more stability, more power to legs. The only thing I did not like about those boots was amber light. We are too fast to slow down. The only thing I did not like about the full-size Alpinestars was length, because on EUC we tend to stop a lot and dismount a lot, and so I wanted some shorter version with full protection. this boot has both sides ankle protection anyways, so a little bit of less of shin protection on these ones, but we wear shin guard anyways. So if you're gonna get hurt, you're gonna get hurt. Now see, this is the emergency brake that I was talking about. You need to practice this
and see how it performs. I'm really happy about the ankle protections in the minimal size, like 8-inch size. So this is not like a long, big SMX series. Yeah.
Always practice, because the stopping distance changes with new boots.
So side by side comparison with other shoes looks normal as well. That's one of the reasons why I got rid of SMS 6 and got this Drystar version 2. They look normal, they don't look extraordinary tall.
A little bit of quality control issue. There's a little bit of this billy coming out. I hope it's not the stitching. Convertible beamer, taking a selfie, not selfie, taking a photo. EUC is still amazement for people. People still get amused by this. Like, I'm not accelerating really good, like on purpose. If I want, I can, but I don't know the stopping distance. See, now when I brake, there's a bobble which I can easily control on my other shoes, but these are new, so I don't want to take risk. And yeah, and it's a peak hour. I don't know why I always do all my testings and riding at the peak hours. Right now it's about 6 o'clock, Phoenix, Arizona. Temperatures are awesome. Right now it's 89 Fahrenheit, which is perfect. You do need to adjust your pads as well. Like same pads, position won't work, because these boots are a little bit wide and stiff and longer than your normal boots. So you need a little bit of adjustment. We're gonna go to a different park. This park does not have enough sunlight. Brake your brakes and stopping. Those two things are really important, because these boots are stiff and these boots need some practice. Okay. So far loving them. And the third thing you should look for is quality control, like stitching and stuff like that. Boots, Alpinestars especially, they do run at least half a size larger, bigger. So some say one whole size. So if you are 10, get 9 or 9.5. Size matters, hey? Trust me, if she says no, she's lying. Size does matter. Yeah, you can question like in a good way or bad way, but it does matter. And now we're gonna look at this stitching, and in this very park, there's a signal where we can go to the other side. Now let's see brake. Yeah, I need to adjust some brake pads. So now we are riding on the pavements, and a little bit of carving experience. Nice, carving is good. Now what we want to do is we want to do some squats. and see if squats are doable on this one or not. This sole of Alpinestars tend to stick to your pedals, so be careful. Like I remember on my SMX, I almost fell down just on the mounting and dismounting because my foot like won't come out, and these things like digged into, like the spikes digged into my boots, and like I almost fell off. So let's see. Squats. Yeah, squat is nice. This thing helping into bending, and it has ankle protector here. I can feel it on this side, and it has, let me lower the camera a little bit, and it has ankle protector on this side as well here, and the back is really hard. Nice. And let's look at this thing that I was checking at home. So this one is not a stitching, it's a leather. So let me take a high resolution photo for you guys. So yeah, it doesn't look like a stitching, it looks like just a leather bit that I can easily just pull it out. There you go, it's gone. Overall happy and satisfied customer for the first 1 hour of use. I will be updating and making a long run review after 1,000 miles or 1 year and let you guys know how it feels. So yeah, this is Alpinestars Drystar version 2 waterproof boots, 8-inch height. Looks nice, perfect. Finally, I open the stretch. Again traffic light. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like these kind of videos, hit like button. That will give me that positive, necessary feedback that people are liking these kind of videos and people want me to make more and more videos like this one. And if you are first time on our channel, consider subscribing because we make a lot of stupid videos similar to this. Not only these kind of videos, we do a lot of unboxing reviews and we make travel vlogs with Yas. So you won't get bored. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Some bonus footage going back home. We still have some daylight, so why not? Let's continue the recording. Until we get home or it gets super dark. Yeah, look how far out my foot is. Like there's at least 2 inches behind my boots. This is how I like to ride. This is how I feel safe riding fast. We are all naked. Okay. We are almost naked. The only protection we have is our stupid gear. That's it. I'm still trying, you must have noticed in the video, I'm still trying to find the best position on my pedals with these boots because these are like alien things for my body. It's literally first ride, first 15 minutes. So So I'm still finding angles and still finding like dynamics of how I can feel safe and accelerate and enjoy. Loving it. My battery is sitting at 115 volts, so I don't want to go too fast, but we are nearly home.